What's going on, guys, and welcome to Utah. If you can't see me right now, you just need to scroll your screen around, or if you have a VR headset, you can just look around for me. And that is because this is a 360-degree VR video shot on the Antigravity A1. VR videos is honestly one of the coolest ways to use the A1. For some reason, not that many people do it, but I'm gonna take you guys on a flight through one of my favorite landscapes in Utah. During the whole flight, you'll be able to look around and it'll be like you're flying. All right, let's do it. I think genuinely this is one of the coolest ways you can use VR. And I think the video that you just watched is a pretty good representation of what it's like to actually fly the Antigravity A1. So if you don't already own the A1, there's a link down below where you can get a discount. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm gonna leave you with about 30 seconds of a bit more flying through those hoodoos because it is just so much fun. One more quick note about the link that's down in the description. Since it is Prime Day, they are offering the A1 for up to 25% off, and the first 10 orders are gonna get a free battery worth over $100 with their order. So if you don't already have this drone, link is below.